What's up everyone, Zain with you, and today we're going to review Muscle Monster app. For those fitness enthusiasts, I'll break down everything you need to know about this application, the features, pros, cons, and whether it's worth your time. And let's go. What is Muscle Monster? Muscle Monster is a fitness and bodybuilding app designed for gym goers and home workout fans. It offers personalized workout plans, meal tracking, progress analytics, and even AI generated routines based on your goals, whether it's fat loss, muscle gain, or strength. Key features. Here are the standout features. Smart workouts. Adjusts intensity and volume based on your progress. 3D exercise demos. Super helpful for beginners. Meal plans and macros. You can log food or follow built-in nutrition guides. Progress tracker. Tracks weight, photos, strength gains over time. Community tab. Like a fitness social feed, post, comment, motivate. What is new in 2025? In 2025, they have added a revamped UI, smarter AI coaching, wearable integration like Apple Watch and Fitbit, and weekly challenge modes to keep you motivated. It's smoother, faster, and more engaging. Pros and cons. For the pros, we have three main pros: clean design, custom routines, and great for all levels. For the cons, some features are locked behind a paywall, and meal tracking isn't as advanced as MyFitnessPal. Verdict: if you are serious about building muscle or just staying consistent, Muscle Monster is a powerful tool in 2025. Just be ready to pay for the premium plan if you want the full experience. So, is it worth trying? Definitely yes. And now, let me know down below in the comments if you have used it or not. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.